So I'm going to help you guys because for our Tabata workouts and some strength workouts, you will need a timer. You can use just a regular stopwatch or a lap timer on your stopwatch on your clock, but I really like using an interval timer. And I actually have this app called Interval Timer. It is free on the Apple App Store, probably on the Android App Store too. But what will happen is I'll show you how to set up the timer really quick. And this is for the an 8 cycle Tabata class. So you're gonna go in, I have a whole bunch saved already, but you'll just hit, here's my routines, you'll hit plus. I usually label mine so I know what I'm doing. It's gonna be a Tabata workout. And we are going to do 6 cycles. So that, to me, that means we're going to do 6 sets of exercise, 1 high and 1 low. And if you've done this before, you know what I mean. So I just stay with the simple type of workout. I don't usually time a warm-up. You can if you want, like if you want to do 5 minutes of walking or, you know, some sort of cardio warm-up. So no warm-up usually is what I do. And then we're going to go to interval cycles, and we are going to do 8 sets of those because you will do each exercise twice, and there's 4 exercises. So we'll go out of that. And actually the first interval, you'll be doing high intensity. So our high intensity will go for 20 seconds. So I'll change my seconds to 20. And then you kind of have to tap, or you can scroll up. The low intensity, the second exercise, actually this is your rest in between, I lied, will be 10 seconds, okay? And then you'll do that 8 times per set of exercise, okay? So that's all you need to set for that. And then to make it repeat, you have to hit the repeat button, and we will be repeating this 6 times. We'll have 6 different sets of exercises, of 2 exercises. And then the rest time is that time in between each set. And I usually like to do a minute. You could set it a little longer if you need a little more recovery time. With it set to a minute, and I don't do a cool down either. You can just do that on your own. But if you want to set it, that's totally fine too. But the rest time in between with that at a minute, will be a 31-minute Tabata workout. So that's great. So then it'll be saved in my workouts. Scroll all the way down and you'll see, and all you have to do is press start. You can play, it'll take music from your Apple playlist. If you want to select a playlist, it's really nice. You can see there's 29 minutes remaining. I may have done that a little different, but it's around 30 minutes. And you just have to hit start. It'll ding to go, and then ding, and then it'll buzz to end, okay? Or you can set different sounds if you want, okay? So have fun, and I will share a few workouts that use this timer.